Sometimes you just need a quick and easy way to move some energy, or rather, not move, but cultivate some energy. Um, and it don't gotta be some extraneous thing. Just build that chi, that life force, that fire within to get you going, to get things moving, to get you started. What I'm hearing is the clicking sound that some fire stoves make when when you turn it on. You gotta like let the um click for a little bit before the fire comes on. And that's exactly what you need sometimes. It's that little click, click, click to get you up and running. Um, and yeah, that's it. That's really all I got. Enjoy the rest of the video.